everyone, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Davadio Haq, Malas ID number 301.
And my name is Mr. Arianto. My and last student number is 314. Thank you for joining us today.
In this episode, we were going to have a casual conversation about our experience as university students. We will talk about campus life, challenges, friendship, memorable moments, and the lessons we have learned along the way.
Actually, university is a big part of your life, and I think everyone has a cool story to tell. So let's share some of ours.
First impression of university. Muiz, let's start from the beginning. Do you remember your first day on campus?
Oh, definitely he was excited, but honestly, I was also nervous. Everything felt unfamiliar. The buildings were hot. There were many students, and I didn't know where most of my classes were.
I can relate to that. I remember arriving early because I was afraid of getting lost. Even then, I still end up walking around trying to find the right classroom.
Like that completely normal. I think every now student experience that at some point.
What surprised me the most was how different university felt compared to high school. Nobody was constantly reminding us about assignment or checking whether we had complete our work.
Actually, students we were experienced to manage everything ourselves. It was challenging at we first, but it taught me how to be more independent.
Okay, adjusting to academic life. Speaking of challenges, how was your experience adapting to university level studies?
At first, it was overwhelming. The assessments were more complex and lectures expect us to think critically rather than just memorize information.
Okay, that's true. I remember being shocked by the number of presentation and group projects we had.
Same here in my first semester, I was really nervous about speaking in front of the class. Public speaking was one of my strengths.
I felt exactly the same. My voice would shake every time I had to present something.
But over time, it became easier. The more presentation we did, the more confident I become.
That's one thing I appreciate about university. It pushes us out of our comfort zones and help us develop skills uh, that are useful in the real world.
Absolutely, it's not just about getting good grades, it's also about improving communication, problem solving, and teamwork.
Friendship and social life. Let's talk about one of the best parts of university life, making friends.
Honestly, time friend makes university much more enjoyable.
I agree. During the first few weeks, everyone was trying to make connection, so it was easier to meet new people.
And before we know it, those classmates become our close friend.
Exactly. Some of my favorite memories involve studying together before exam, discussing assignment, or simply hanging out after class.
The funny thing is that something we speed horse is crossing and assignment and up talking about completely unrelated topics.
That's so true. What starts as a study session often turns into a casual conversation about life, hobbies, our future plans.
And those moments help build strong friendship. University can be stressful, and having supportive friend makes a whole difference.
Campus activities and organizations. Have you ever joined any campus organizations or activities?
Yes, I joined student organization in my second semester.
How was the experience?
It was one of the best conditions I met. I met a lot of new people and learned things that I hope learn in the classroom.
Like what?
Leadership, event management, communication skill and teamwork, organization and even sound easy, but actually requires a lot of planning and condition.
I can imagine. I haven't been very active in organization, but I've attended several seminars and campus events.
And what did you again for those experience?
I learned new perspective and got the opportunity to hear from professionals in different fields. It was inspiring to listen to people who had already achieved success in their careers.
That one thing I love about university. Here are so many approaches to learn outside the classroom.
Okay. Challenges along the way. Of course, university life isn't always easy. What has been your biggest challenges so far?
Without and not managing my time.
I was expecting the answer because
Well, because it's through something we have achievement, procession, exam, organization, responsibilities, and personal commitments, and all the sometime.
I know exactly what you mean. There was a moment when I felt like 24 hours in day wasn't enough.
How do you actually deal with that?
I try to make a schedule and prioritize my tasks. It doesn't always work perfectly, but it helps me stay organized.
That a good approach and also remember that protestation only makes this worse.
Absolutely. Every student has probably experienced the stress of revision to finish an assignment just before the deadline.
Unfortunately, yes, and every time it happens, I'll myself will never do it again.
Yet somehow it happens again.
Oh, actually, moments.
Most memorable campus moments. What you say is your most memorable moment at university?
That difficult question because there are so many but it at a major group that moment is really first.
What happened?
Our team faced a lot of challenge. We had different ideas, takes the deadlines and unexpected problem, but in the end we worked together and successfully completed a project.
Oh, that must have felt rewarding. Rewarding.
It really did. What about you?
For me, it was my first presentation in front of a large audience. I was incredibly nervous, but after it was over, I felt proud because I had overcome my fear.
Those moments are important. They remind us that growth often comes from facing challenge.
Exactly. Looking back, some of the experience that seemed difficult at the time became the most valuable lessons. Okay, thank you for podcast today. from us podcast. And thank you for watching and goodbye.